they gon' hate you till the day that you go. Yeah, they gon' hate you till the day that you go.
What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Ken, man. I'm back with another prank, man, on your girl Kylie. You already know, man, Team Ken stand up, because that's how we rockin', man. But anyways, my wife in there, she in the shower right now, and I seen this prank on YouTube earlier, and I ain't never tried it before, so I figured it'd be good to try on her. She done set her hair dryer and everything out, because she about to get out the shower, so I know she gonna want to dry her hair and everything like that. So, yeah, what I'm about to do is I'm about to grab this baby powder, because I don't think we got no flour. If we do, I'll use flour. But anyways, I'm gonna grab this baby powder, I'm gonna pour it in her hair dryer. Now, y'all already know what's gonna happen. It's gonna blow all over her. She gonna be so mad because she just got out the shower, gotta take another shower. So, yeah, man, so that's what I'm about to do. Let me go in here. I'm about to go ahead and get this stuff together, and we're gonna get this prank started. Alright, so I got everything in place. Whenever she come in here and get ready to dry her hair, y'all already know what's gonna happen. So y'all go ahead and give this video a thumbs up before it even starts, man, because it's about to be epic. I already know her reaction gonna be crazy, so y'all go ahead and like this video, man, and subscribe to our channel, man. And we about to start this video right about now. Alright, yeah, so she in the shower. I know y'all hear her in the shower. It's about to go down. It's crazy. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get this together.
Baby,
Ah,
can you turn my straight on?
yeah.
Corey about to come over here.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Wipe it off.
Hey, can you pour me some Dr. Pepper?
Some what?
Dr. Pepper.
Ain't she right there by it?
No.
No, it's on the table. My fault. My fault. Gee.
Don't turn that on me. Stop.
Look at me. Work.
Ken! Woo!
Whew. It's a dust storm in here.
That's not cool, bro.
It is. That's a good prank right there. Hey, look, you're dumping powder all over the floor. And she's throwing powder everywhere. She is dumping powder everywhere. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, man.
I couldn't get it to cut off.
Well, you done messed up the house. Powder everywhere. Anyways, man, so give me a good thumbnail at least. So yo, man, y'all go ahead and tell me what y'all think, man.
I just took a fucking shower, dude.
She just took a shower. I just put the powder in there. It was like perfect timing because she almost like caught me, but yeah. So yeah. How you feel, babe? You mad?
Oh, it's on.
It's what?
It's on.
Nah, ain't
Hey.
Team Ken in the comments. Spam it up, man. Team Ken, man. Team Ken. Y'all already know. We
Dude,
win.
look.
Team Ken wins. Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. Look at my floor, y'all. Look at my floor. That's crazy.
Dude, y'all.
I still give you a kiss though. Powder kisses.
Don't kiss me.
She don't want ew.
Yeah, that's what you.
Nasty.
Y'all. Y'all
Yeah, so-
already know I come with the best pranks.
We gonna have to slow mo.
This is ridiculous, dude.
We just gonna have to slow mo this. Look at her face.
I just washed my hair.
Hold on, let me get a.
Look
So
at
look,
the
man.
house.
It's a dust storm in my house right now. Team Ken in the comments. So
Team Kylie, because he about to get got, y'all. He didn't even know it, but it's coming to him.
you need to go ahead and she
Dude.
need to go ahead. Tell her she need to go ahead and start taking her a shower again. Because yeah, man. So yeah, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell us what y'all think about this, man, cause well, tell me what you think about it, cause we already know how she feel about it. She ain't too happy right now, but it's all good, man. So
Look at
like,
this
comment, and
house.
subscribe. She's still back there in the background fussing. And she the one who dumped it all over the house. She dumped it all over the house, but she mad at me.
Because the thing was stuck. Because you put a pound of freaking flour in there.
Gonna make you smell good, girl. It's
What
baby
is
powder.
it?
It's baby powder.
Dude, that is ridiculous. Y'all, he put so much baby powder in my hair blow dryer.
They
that-
saw it. They saw it.
Yo,
They
I
saw
couldn't
it.
even freaking cut it on and off no more.
Yeah, they saw it. But yeah. Anyways, we up out of here, man. Y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell us what you think, man. We out of here.
Yeah, they gon' hate you till the day that you go. Yeah, they gon' hate you till the day that you go.